Hello students, good morning. Myself Mr. Kannan sir from Navachitra International School. Today I will teach you standard 7th English chapter number 1 whale hunting. First I will tell me the characters name one by one, as well as with the next I will explain the whole chapter within a few minutes in shortly. Okay. What is the first thing is characters. Character is Captain Ahab, Mr. Stub, Ismail Sailor, Boatman, and our important character is Moby Dick, that is a sperm whale. Now come to back the glossary introduction about that chapter. American classical novel writer name is Herman Melville. He was the famous writer. He wrote a story that is named Moby Dick in 1851. This chapter is extracted from the story. Okay. So the Moby Dick sperm whale is our main important character. Okay. What was the things in this story? Captain Ahab once went to the whale hunting, the beginning in the Indian Ocean. At that time what happened? The whale attacked over the Captain Ahab and he got the injured in his leg. Then he remembered those incidents in his mind. Then after he started to go again and hunt the whale in the second trip. Okay. At this time he took the help from Mr. Hub. Mr. Hub is the friend of Captain Ahab. Then the sailor name is Ismail and the other supporting person, that is a boatman. Okay, these are the team members in that journey. Now what happened? Moby Dick, our important character, sperm whale. Okay, sperm whale. Sperm whale means what? The whale is having own sperm. It is helpful to the medicines and other purpose. So the persons in middle of the 19th centuries, they are focusing whale hunting. Actually in nowadays the animal hunting, okay, aquatic animal or other any land animal, it is the restriction things from the government side. Okay, if anyone going to hunt animal, he will get a prison. Okay. But at the time, middle of the 19th century, there was no awareness about those things. So the people who are interested to hunt the animals, they are simply started and going to hunt the animals. Okay. Now in our chapter, I already told us Captain Ahab, Mr. Step, Ismail Sailor, and other boatsman. Okay, they are in the boat. Now Ismail Sailor, he is standing on the boat. These are the things are already there in the textbook. I will give one more explanation through the textbook also. Ismail Sailor standing on the boat like this. Okay, and he is simply observing where is the sperm whale, when it will come, because he is already took the revenge with himself. Yes, I should be sincere with my Captain Ahab and my friend Stub. Okay, the other boatsmen are simply sleeping on the boat area, but he is only standing and observing those whale when it will come. Now about the weather condition, the weather condition was very poor. That means no cold air, only hot air, humid condition. So this was not a suitable things. So the other boatmen are taking the rest, but Mr. Ismail only is standing on the boat and observing when it will come, that is Moby Dick will come. Suddenly Ismail found the sperm whale near the boat area. Then he simply shouted vigorously, "Hey man, boatman, stand up, wake up from your sleep. I saw the Moby Dick." Okay, I don't know if it is not the Moby Dick, what is the thing, but you just stand up on the place and let's start to attack. Then Mr. Stub and Ismail and their team, they are now starting to attack over the whale. Now the Moby Dick is near about the boat, near around surrounding the boat area. Then they are simply trying to attack the whale. But Mr. Stubb, he is giving command to the sailor Ismail as well as the boatman, don't make a noise at now, because if you are producing noise, it will disturb for the whale, then it will escape. So don't make a noise. After few seconds, simply Mr. Stubb was giving command to the sailor Ismail and the boatman. Now you have, this is the time, right time for the hunting of the whale. Simply throw the javelin like the tools. Its name of the tools is oars. Okay, it is helpful to hunting the whale. Then finally he means Ismail and the other team members are trying to hunt the whale very vigorously, and finally they are finished their job. Now the whale gets injured and at last he lost his life. Simply he is disturbed and it is turned back towards the sky. What is the next thing is, in the story, the sperm whale released a lot of blood. So the blood is simply spread over the sea water, mixed with the sea water, and now the sea water is looking like a red color water. Now the boatman, the one of the person in the boatman, he is giving command to the, he is sharing the news to the Mr. Stubb, boss. We simply finished the whale and now the sea waters look like a red color water. It is your successful. Then the Mr. Stubb simply raising his hand and showing the enjoyment and happiness over the whale. Yes, I hunt the whale. This is the thing of this story. Okay, I will give the another information about the stories like hard words, other things through the textbook in our next video. Okay, thank you.